Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to descale and deep clean your espresso machine. This generally applies for all espresso machines. They kind of have the same process. Some of them do have some automatic self-clean functions, but the process is kind of the same. You have to put a descale into the water tank and then just run it through. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do that and how to even go a bit further and clean your filter as well. So let's get straight into it and stay tuned. So first step would be just to fill up the tank with fresh filtered water halfway. After you've done that, you just need to add some descaling solution, 100 milliliters of that over the fresh water. You start the machine and you wait until this heats up. After that, you just flush through like a cup full of water, and then you stop the machine and wait half an hour for the descaler to action the lime scale inside the machine. After the half an hour has passed, then you have to flush all the water through and make sure everything is out. Stop the machine again, and then we go to the second step, which is basically to remove the filter from the machine. Now, very important, before you remove the filter, you have to make sure you wait until the machine has cooled down, so the temperature has gone completely down. Otherwise, this might happen. So to remove the filter, you will just need a flat screwdriver, and you need to make sure you check the temperature gauge to make sure that's on 0. That's when the temperature is completely cooled off on your espresso machine. You remove the filter by unscrewing the bolt, and then you pop the filter and the bolt into a jug of water with a descaler for the filter to basically descale the lime scale that's built up on it. And also you can pop in the puck again to let that descale. Once that's done, you just clean it with a brush to make sure all the lime scale is gone, and then reassemble that back on to your espresso machine. After you've cleaned the filter and the puck, then you assemble that back onto the machine, and then you fill the water tank up to the top with fresh filtered water, and you flush that through the machine again, just to make sure you get all the descaling solution out before you can actually use the machine. And then the last thing you need to do is basically just to flush out all the milk or the bits of lime scale that basically are left into the steam wand. All you have to do is add some water into a cup and steam the water basically, and then the steam wand is going to clean itself. So if you guys enjoyed this video and this information was helpful to you in any way, then please don't forget to hit the like button, as this helps my channel grow a lot. And I hope you enjoy your coffee.